right, we're starting off with 4 cups of our pecans in our 13 by 9. Beautiful. Next, I'm bringing in 1 jar of our Smucker's caramel, and we're gonna get all of that right on top of our pecans. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dessert. I'm making sure to get all of that caramel out so that we have all that sweetness. All right, that looks absolutely incredible. Next, I'm gonna add 2 eggs right into our pan. I know that seems a little funny, but trust me, this is what's gonna hold it all together, literally. All right, add our second egg. Make sure there's no shells in there. Beautiful. Okay, we're almost done. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar right in there. And then 1/2 stick of melted butter right on top. Oh my, oh my. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our whisk and we're gonna mix this all together. The pecans, the eggs, the brown sugar, the caramel. Is it pecans? Is it pecan? Is it caramel? Is it caramel? You guys let me know in the comments. All I know is that this dessert is absolutely incredible. It's almost becoming like a pecan pie mixture, but that's not what we're making. We're making something easier than pie. All right, let's make sure this gets fully incorporated. All right, that is fully mixed and we're kind of just making sure that it is leveled in our pan. The next thing we're gonna grab is our classic yellow cake mix. Now I'm using the yellow, but you can use white, you can use vanilla, and if you can find the butter pecan cake mix, more power to you. My store stopped selling it a little while ago, but we're gonna use this whole cake mix right on top of our pecan mixture. Oh my, that whole box. Yum, that cake mix smells so good. We're gonna bring in our clean hands and we're just gonna flatten that out. We gotta make sure that the cake mix is leveled with the pan. Just make sure it is not bumpy and covering up all of those delicious pecans. Oh my, perfect. Okay, our final ingredient is our salted butter, and I just cut this up into little pads of butter, and we're gonna go ahead and evenly distribute our butter pads right on top of our cake mix. So it's very similar to a dump cake, but then we have that delicious pecan mixture underneath the cake mix. So we are doing rows of 4 pads of butter, and we're gonna get this done super fast. All right, so we ended up using 1.5 sticks of our salted butter, and this is gonna go ahead in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. All right, this has been out of the oven and it is completely cooled down. It is time to dig into our pecan pie dump cake. Oh my, oh my. Let's go ahead and get a delicious corner piece. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig in. Oh, look at that goodness. Now you could top it with some ice cream, but I'm gonna top it with some Ready Whip. Beautiful. What is not to love, you guys? Oh, the cake, the pecans, the Ready Whip. This is gonna be an incredible bite. No way. There is no way that I made a dessert this good. You guys have to try it.